Today, we're going to walk you through how to set up the Nighthawk RS700 BE19000 router. Let's get started. Make sure you remove all the contents from the package. This includes the RS700 router, Ethernet cable, power adapter for your router, a service-activated internet modem or gateway, a quick start installation guide, an iPhone or Android phone. Next, use your iOS or Android phone to download and install the Nighthawk app. Do so by scanning the QR code on the Quick Start Guide. Follow the step-by-step process to set up your router. This will include the hardware setup that we'll go through now. Disconnect all devices and reboot your internet modem. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes before powering back on. Wait for the modem's LED lights to stabilize before powering up your RS700 router. This could take up to 5 minutes. To connect your router to your modem, plug in one end of the included Ethernet cable into the yellow port labeled Internet. This is a 10 gigabit Ethernet port that supports all speeds up to 10 gigabits per second for faster connectivity. Then, plug in the other end into one of the LAN or Ethernet ports of your internet provider's modem or gateway. To power your router, find the port for the power adapter on the back of your RS700 and plug it in. If the device is not powered on, push in the power button on the back of the RS700. Once the cable is connected, plug the power brick into a power outlet. The RS700 router will automatically power up. Once your router's LED light turns on, return to the setup process in the Nighthawk app to continue with your installation. For additional help with installation, please check out our video in the description below to learn how to install your Nighthawk RS700 BE19000 router using the Nighthawk app. Or click the link in the top right corner. After the installation is complete, you can use the Nighthawk app to enable NETGEAR Armor cybersecurity solution, smart parental controls, and a guest network. To learn more about the Nighthawk RS700 BE19000 router, visit netgear.com/RS700. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.